Guys, after the raffle, we're going to do a group picture.
Yes.
Okay? So we have, kailangan sharing and caring tayo.
Yes.
Okay, meaning, sa first snap na photo, if you're in front, ang next position natin, you will be at the back and others will be in front naman. Okay? So everybody gets to be in front.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Also, if yung first snap natin yung photo is you're on the stage, sa next mo, doon pa naman sa baba. Okay ba yun? Okay. So let's all agree on that so that everybody have front row seats. Hindi yung may naiiwan tayong classmates doon sa likod. Okay? Okay. Miss Julie?
Okay.
Sandali, kaya isa na lang. Sorry, one more. Sorry, sorry na. Okay, after our photo shoot, no? All together, we can listen all together, no? On my cue, meaning I will say, we will throw our hands. Okay? But don't get so excited, ha? You wait for me to say, okay. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so, photo shoot, and then, ano tayo? Shuffle tayo, photo shoot. And then after that, we will form all together in one circle and then we will throw. Okay?
Make sure lang na yung mga ano ninyo dito.
Okay lang yan. Sino ba may kuto? Sino may balang ba?
Lahat.
So, kasi baka magpapalitan. Ano pangalan nito? Itandaan natin. Kasi pangalan natin sa kanto mamaya.